If you want to stop Epic Games Launcher from automatically updating your games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off auto updates in Epic Games Launcher so you can keep better control over your downloads, your storage, and your internet usage. This is especially useful if you have limited bandwidth, a slower connection, or you simply want to decide when updates happen instead of letting them run in the background. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're inside the launcher, look toward the top corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Epic keeps a lot of the main account and launcher settings. After that, go into Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down slowly until you find the section called Manage Games. This is the area where Epic lets you control game-related preferences, including update behavior. Now, under each game, look for the auto update option. Depending on how your launcher is arranged, you may need to expand the game settings or review the individual game entries one by one. When you find auto update, turn it off for the games you do not want updating automatically. This change tells Epic Games Launcher not to download or install updates on its own, so you can handle updates manually whenever you're ready. If you have more than one game installed, repeat the same process for each title you want to manage. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to avoid surprise downloads. Once you've turned off auto updates, take a quick second to confirm the settings stayed saved before closing the menu. And that's it. You've now turned off auto updates in Epic Games Launcher. From here on out, your games won't update without your control, which is great if you want more flexibility over when your system uses data and storage. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.